Good morning, everyone. You're watching the Business Portal, your gateway to business trends and opportunities. I'm your business evangelist, Lloyd Luna. This is Creative Business.
Live from the Global News Network studio in the Philippines, here's your business evangelist and host, Lloyd Luna.
Welcome to another interesting edition of Creative Business. Today, we are going to talk about several topics, but still, we are into business. So, simulan na po natin kaagad. Unang-una po ang guest natin sa studio ay marketing director po ng, hindi ko alam, pero malamang karamihan sa inyo ay nag-avail ng service nila. Ang marketing director po ng Big Apple Express pa, Ms. Roslyn Gao Pagunsan. Hi ma'am, good morning and welcome to the show.
Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Thanks for having me.
No, thank you for accepting our invitation. I understand na sa business na ito ay napakahalaga ng oras ninyo and you still found time to talk to us. Maraming salamat po. Pag-usapan po natin ang inyong negosyo, ang Big Apple Spa. Ang spa po ay parang naging naging household name na. No? Kapag ikaw ay na-stress, kadalasan ang bukang bibig mo is spa. At tinawag niyo pa itong Big Apple, no? So, I wonder kung pagkatapos ng spa, binibigyan niyo sila ng mansanas or something? No. Sige po. Nag-start kayo ng 2000 and?
Nag-start kami 2005, and then kaya nga po Big Apple is because we'd like lang a theme na kahit paano ay medyo social ng konti.
Exactly. And then ito pong business na ito ay apat kayo. I understand apat kayo.
Correct po. 4 business partners.
Right. How did you form the group?
Well, at first, we are 4 friends who really enjoy having massages, going to spas, but it's really expensive. So for a regular employee who wants to have to be pampered, who wants to relax, masyadong mahal yung 1,000 pesos per month na budget.
Nag-corporate po kayo and kaibigan nyo sila?
Opo. We are all from the corporate world. And then, pag nakikita-kita kami, and then iisa yung topic namin, saan ka galing na spa? So, subukan na namin yung spa na ganito sa Makati, sa ganito. And then, sinabi natin, nga, ang mahal-mahal. Parang nakakaubos sa budget kahit na gusto mong twice a month sana. You would want to try it twice a month, thrice a month. But then, it's very mabigat sa bulsa, kumbaga.
Interesting.
So, yes. And then we started na talking about it. Bakit ganun? Bakit kailangan mabigat sa bulsa ang magpa-relax? So, then doon na nag-start, nag-brainstorm.
But you were all working at the time?
Yes, we were all working sa corporate world. Iba-iba po, may ibang IT. Yun,
so iba-ibang backgrounds din?
Ibang backgrounds.
Question ko is, you decided na, sabay-sabay kayo nag-decide na let's quit our day job and then let's venture into business?
Well, it started off as a story or a kwento. So, while eating, and then one of us will say, bakit nga ba hindi? Bakit nga ba hindi itry? Because
walang nagtatry. I mean, walang nag-attempt. Walang nag-attempt na gumawa ng isang category for such an express spa.
Well, at that time, 2005, wala pa. That's why we are all trying yung expensive spas today, the full-service spas as we call it today. So, we thought of, we are sure that there is a market in the middle.
I'm sure because apat kayo na corporate na umaaray sa 1,000 pesos na service. So, it's supposed to be may market talaga.
Yes, correct. You're correct.
Right. And then, it's officially started like how? Paano ba yan? Malaki ba yung puhunan na ginagamit kapag magtatayo ka ng unit at the start?
Well, we started talking about it 2004, ano? And then...
I just came out from college.
Excuse me of the dates or of the year.
No problem. Sige pa.
So, we started talking, brainstorming 2004 until I personally said, why not? Why not venture into it? Since we all love it, why not venture it? But then, syempre, you cannot jump into the boat right away. You have to study it. You have to do some research about it.
Exactly.
So that's what we did before venturing or jumping into that boat.
But there should be a trade right there. I mean, mawawala na yung paycheck ninyo.
Yes, correct. So we all got to terms and to accept it around 2005 mid-year to give up our corporate world life and start to venturing our own business.
I wonder how the drama unfolded at the time. I mean, you're leaving your day job and everybody would just to start a business.
Well, at the time, I would say parang everything came to the right place at the right time, at the right place. So parang at that time, four of us are like feeling every day sa corporate world parang nasasawa na rin.
Right.
So doing all the things the same and then so parang nasasawa and looking for something na what else can we do or can we offer ourselves.
Was there a region in your hearts that said baka hindi mag-succeed Paano yan kapag hindi nag-succeed di saan tayo
Yes.
pupulutin?
In every decision that you make, there's like a yes, there's always a no, or
Right.
there's like paano pag okay, paano pag
Pag
hindi.
hindi, right.
But then again, if you are an entrepreneur, then you have like to have the heart
Right.
to be one,
To try, no?
to try and to make some risk and to make some mistakes, I guess.
Right, exactly. And then, syempre pagka tayo na negosyo, wala ka agad, I understand, wala ka agad bayaran to, no? Kumbaga parang, dyan muna yung pera, no?
Yes.
So, gaano katagal na naka-hold yun? Parang,
Well, we started off at Robinson's Galleria 2005 and since yun nga, we studied about the market first and then studied the price range.
right,
Ano yung kaya ng maaabot
Right.
ng target market na gusto naming i-target. And then we came to a price point of 299 pesos and we call that service Manhattan Express.
oh, wow, pangalan pang mahal, tapos biglang,
Yeah,
ganun.
since it's like a Big Apple New York theme, right? So,
Right.
binagay namin lahat sa theme.
Okay. So, itong mga nakikita namin sa mga services ninyo, meron siya pinanggagalingan talaga, no?
Yes,
Sinong promotor
yes.
nito sa inyong grupo?
Well, I would say, well, it's like a, parang lahat naman meron talagang contribution.
Right.
So, I cannot like say na ako lang or yung aming sa director lang sa franchising or sa
Right.
special lahat kami.
So, lahat yan, I mean,
Lahat
product na pag-uusap.
Product development, yes.
But I mean, the four of you, you go out of the country to experience this kind of service as well.
Yes,
Na pinanggagalingan.
we went to China, to Thailand, to Malaysia, to Indonesia, to other countries. And then, kaya nga po namin na-realize, doon is
Right.
parang nasa may streets, curtains nga lang.
Right.
Ang daming nag-a-avail. So, here, sabi ko, bakit hindi dito sa atin? I'm sure kung meron ding nakakaramdam na katulad sa atin or umaaray sa 1,000 pesos, then we could, I'm sure there is a market that we could tap there.
Right, interesting. Kayo po ba nag-aral sa private school or public school?
Sa private
Sa
po.
private school. And then you took which course?
Well, I took up chemistry.
Chemistry. Alright,
Masyadong
dun na.
malayo.
Alright, medyo interesting yung kwento na yun. No? May nangyari, di ba? May nangyari dun sa chemistry education. And then ngayon, that you're an
Yes, it
entrepreneur.
was a pre-med course, but then again, so hindi na ako nagtuloy.
Right.
And then since my father was a businessman, it's been like a guide to me. And then parang, syempre, siya na rin yung ina-idol
Right.
ko.
But I mean, whose idea was that to take chemistry?
Well, it was my idea.
It was your
it's-
idea.
Yes, because
Pre-med.
it is a pre-med course.
Right. So wala na kayo sa ano ninyo yung medicine?
Wala na po.
Wala.
Wala na po.
Nandito na lahat. All right. This kind of business, we are actually in an industry that is called wellness industry.
Correct po.
And I don't know if you're going to agree with me, but I've heard from around that this is a competitive industry. Especially now na parang naging health conscious na yung mga tao, parang gusto nila healthy na sila palagi. So kahit na wala sila masyadong pera, basta offer mo silang product or service about health and wellness, kakagat na sila. So tell us something about the industry.
So, well, before is you want lang a massage, to get into massage to pamper yourself. But then again, as studies connote or studies din prove that massage or wellness can do very well in oneself, in one's health. So, nasa pag-aaral na rin yan. So, if kalmado ang ating nervous system, then kalmado na lahat, nagpa-function ng lahat ng internal organs maigi. So, may relation talaga sa health and wellness.
Exactly, exactly. And you are not the only player na ngayon. I mean, when you started the category in 2005, ay mga nagsulputan na rin, no? Siyempre, huwag nating banggitin kung sino sila. Pero alam natin, nandiyan sila. And then the competition, did it become tight? I mean, how's the competition 8 years later?
Yes, it has become tighter, especially now. Marami na rin talagang lumalabas. But then you have to be innovative
Right.
of the services that you have. So we created our own service. So we don't offer the normal Swedish and shiatsu massages.
Yeah.
But then we have our own signature therapies like the Manhattan Express.
Right, right,
And the
right.
more exotic ones like the Balinese and the Brazilian deep tissue massage.
All right, I'll try the exotic one. One of these days, I'll try to do it. So, ibig sabihin, you are at the forefront of this. Kumbaga parang, kung magtatayo kayo ng ganitong negosyo, on your own brand, bahala kayong dumiskate na sa inyo. You don't mind dun sa kung ano nangyayari dun sa mga kalaban ninyo dito sa industry.
Kailangan po talaga is maging watchful rin. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na wala tayong
So,
pakialam.
between you and me, Miss Roslyn, nagpa-spa na ba kayo dun sa kalaban ninyo?
Paano po kaya sasagutin yan?
Well, bakit? Kasama sa study, di ba? Bakit hindi? Kasi kung ako din yan, sasabihin ko, sige, pag-aaralan ko, I mean, this is the best intelligence that you can get out of the market. Hindi ba?
I'm sure hindi lang po siguro ako yung gumagawa.
Hindi kasi malay,
Kailangan po talaga para
I'm sure yung mga
malaman.
kalaban ninyo, in-experience na rin yung inyo, yung
Correct,
inyong
correct.
service.
Correct.
Alright, so probably they are thinking about it. And then, being in a team of 4, is it, does it look like working as a team? Siyempre, may mga clashes of ideas as well as siyempre may mga common grounds din.
Well, the good about our team is I'm the only girl in our team.
Really?
So,
Is it an advantage? Advantage sa inyo or
well, I'd like to say it is an advantage. Let's think positive all the time. So, I'd like to...
gentle sila sa inyo?
Oo naman po. So, clashes, we welcome that. Clashes kasi kapag lalo kang nagagalit, lalong lumalabas yung business juices eh.
Right,
Yung intelligence or yung talino. So, lalong lumalabas, lalong nagagalit or nagkakaroon ng konting clashes.
Right. Kung adrenaline nandun, no?
Yes.
And then, you were friends before you became business partners,
Yes,
no?
we were friends before.
So, would you know kung kailan kayo friends at kailan kayo business partners?
Well, we have to know that. Well, we have to know that is because kailangan din may demarcation line. So, hindi pwedeng, so kasi kung masyado kayong magkakaibigan, so pwede na lang like relax. Parang hindi, for example, ikaw na lang magbabantay.
Right.
Dahil sasabihin nila, hindi naman ginagawa ng lalaki yan, yung nagbabantay ng
right.
store.
So, ginawa nyo to, nag-start kayo. I mean, kayo yung nandun sa store.
Yes.
Right.
Very hands-on. Nandun kami sa store bago kami nagkaroon ng mga managers.
Right, exactly. And then, kahit sino bang tao na may pera na kung magkano man yun pinag-start ninyo, more or less, kapag ka may pera kang ganun, pwede kang mag-start kagad ng ganitong klaseng business.
Well, I would say is money is one part. The other part is the entrepreneur part. So you have to be ready to commit a mistake. You have to be ready rin for competition. And you also have to be ready rin to improve yourself. So parating ganun parate, hindi pwedeng stagnant lang.
So how do you improve yourselves then? I mean, as entrepreneurs, do you read books? Do you attend
Yes,
seminars?
we attend seminars, we conduct seminars also, we teach, and then we have to go out of the country rin to see what's up. in there.
Wow, magandang investment naman talaga 'yun, 'di ba? You have to look out for something. Yung kasi papaganito lagi yung wave eh. All right, and you have now 20. Amazingly,
20 branches.
very amazing. You have now 20 branches all over the Philippines or Visayas, yung pinakamalayo, I guess, no? Sa Robinsons, Iloilo. You have grown this in the last 8 years. Ito ba yung
Yes,
mabilis na paglaki sa isang negosyo?
Well, we would say that there are ups and downs. So, the first few years, syempre, mas mabilis din po. But then again, syempre, dumami na rin po yung competition.
Right.
So, you have to stay din tough and then innovative din for people then to believe din. Like, one of our customers din is tried out the service and then liked it and then inquired it and invested his money from the corporate world to
Right.
this business
So,
also.
naging kagaya na rin sila.
Yes.
Okay. Very interesting po yung story ninyo, but I'm afraid na we're running out of time. So, saan po kayo pwede i-contact kapag interested sila? Either to franchise your business or to at least experience your services. Big Apples pa.
All right. So if you want a viable business, and,
Viable, take note,
viable
viable.
business. Yes. If you want to have a viable business, go contact us our franchise hotline. The number is 915-7608. You could also check out our Facebook site, official Facebook site, www.facebook.com/big.apple.official. And then we already have branches po nationwide. So Quezon City, and then we have Taguig, Mandaluyong, we have
Pasig.
Pasig, we have Pampanga, Batangas, and are recently opened in Festival Mall, Alabang.
Wow,
And
alright.
SM Marikina po. Naku, baka
Yung sa
magalit.
SM, di ba yung sa Philinvest, Alabang?
Yes,
So, ito yung mga mayayaman na nagtitipid. No, sa Big Apples pa. Thank you so much, Mr. Roslyn, for your time.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate
Thank you, Sir
your
Lloyd. Thank you
presence.
very much.
Creative Business will be right back. Stay tuned.